Okay, so here let us try to find out that sigma bond or sorry type of hybridization in each of the carbon atom. This carbon atom is definitely sp, right? This is sp, this is sp, this is also sp, this is sp3. Yes, you agree with me? This is sp because triple bond, this is sp hybridized triple bond, this is sp hybridized, this is sp hybridized, this is sp3 hybridized, this is sp2 hybridized, this is sp2 hybridized, this is sp2 hybridized, this is sp3 hybridized. Just try to imagine the structure and the geometry, okay? CH3Cl is like this, no? Cl H H H, so sp3 hybridized only. Okay, so CH3 whole to CO. Let us break this structure, otherwise how can I understand? CH3 whole to CO. How to break this? I think this is CH3 whole to CO. Yes or no? With this C, both this CH3 are attached. That's why bracket mein whole 2 is given. I hope that you know that. Okay, so this is with the structure. So this will be sp3 hybridized. This will be sp3 hybridized, and this is double bond is there. So this is sp2 hybridized. I hope you understand. Okay, so CH3CN. So CH3 single bond C triple bond N, because you know nitrogen के साथ triple bond होता है, right? So this is sp hybridized, this is sp3 hybridized. Nitrogen atom is not hybridized at all. Okay, so if I want to know the type of bond, one will be sigma bond. This sigma bond will be sp with another p orbital of spp sigma bond, p orbital of nitrogen. Okay, and the pi bonds will be nitrogen का py orbital with nitrogen, so carbon का py orbital, nitrogen का py orbital will be sidewise overlap maybe. Okay, and pz maybe, but sp and p will be forming sigma bond. I hope that you understand. So this one C double bond O N H single bond H. Oh, this is an amine. This is amide group. Okay, this is amide group CONH2. Anyway, so you will learn all this chemical naming and everything. But what type of hybridization? Definitely sp2 hybridization. Double bond is there. Okay, and this nitrogen is not hybridized at all. So this is sp2 and sp2 and nitrogen ka p sigma bond. This is also a sigma bond, p and 1s of hydrogen, p and 1s of hydrogen. Yes or no? S orbital. This is sp2 and s of sp2s hydrogen sigma bond. And this double bond is formed with the other two will be remaining, no? So in this double bond, one will be sigma bond, because 3 sp2 orbitals will be there. 1, 2, and this side from 3 sp2, so 3 orbitals will be there, 3 sp2s will be there. I hope that you know and understand from the previous discussions. Okay, so one will be sp2s sigma bond, one will be pi bond. Okay, sidewise overlap. I hope that you have understood. Okay, and this one you do by yourself. Do or think yourself. Okay, you can take screenshot and do it by yourself. See, you understand or not? Okay, H2C double bond O. What is the shape? C double bond O HH. This is sp2 hybridized, so the shape is trigonal planar. CH3F, CHHF. This is tetrahedral, sp3 hybridization. And HCN, molecule HCN. So C triple bond N H. So this is sp hybridization. So planar or linear structure. I hope that this thing is clear with you.